Okay, so hi, hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Growth Language. I'm Elena, he is Leo, and today I want to talk about something that I think about almost every single day, and I feel like nobody's really being honest about it.
Oh, when you say nobody's being honest.
No, just hear me out. Okay, so social media,
Ah,
right? Like, I know, everyone talks about it. But Leo, I don't think we're actually talking about the real thing, like the real thing, what it's actually doing to people.
what do you mean the real thing?
Like, okay, I was on my phone last night and I caught myself. I was scrolling and I looked up and it was 1 a.m. And I was like, I didn't even decide to do that. I just ended up there.
Yeah?
And that's what I want to talk about today. How people are just stuck, fully stuck, like they're in this thing and they can't get out, and they don't even know how bad it's getting.
It's like a trap, right? That's the word I'd use.
Yes, a trap, exactly.
And the scary part is the trap doesn't look like a trap. It looks like fun or like you're just relaxing.
Right, it looks like nothing. It just looks like you're chilling. But you're not chilling, you're just gone.
Can I say something that might sound a little harsh?
Please.
I think most people who say, I use social media fine, I'm not addicted or whatever, I think most of those people are the ones who are most stuck.
Oh, that's good. Say more.
Because, like, if you genuinely had a problem with it, the app is literally designed so that you don't feel like you have a problem. You feel like you're just enjoying yourself.
It's designed that way.
It is. That's not a conspiracy theory. That's their job. Their job is to keep you on the app. The longer you're on, the more money they make. That's it. That's the whole thing.
And we're like sitting there thinking we're making our own choices.
When really,
When really, there are like hundreds of engineers who spent years figuring out exactly how to make sure you don't put your phone down.
yeah, we're kind of fighting against people whose whole job is to keep us scrolling.
And what do we have? Our sad little willpower?
Our sad little willpower, yeah.
Okay, but can we talk about what it's actually doing? Like, to people's heads?
Yeah, go.
Because I think people hear social media is bad for you, and they go, okay, yeah, whatever, I've heard this. But like, do they actually know what's happening inside them?
I don't think so, no.
So like, okay, you know that feeling when you post something, like a photo or a video or even just a thought, and then you put your phone down, and then you pick it up again like 2 minutes later to check?
Yes?
Okay, so that feeling, that little pull, that's real. That's your brain looking for something, like a little reward.
Like, did people like it? Did they respond?
Exactly. And when someone does like it, your brain goes ding, and you feel good for like 10 seconds.
10 seconds is generous.
Okay, 5, and then it's gone. And then you need more, and then you post again, or you scroll again, and it just keeps going.
It's like you're hungry, but the food doesn't actually fill you up.
That's exactly what it is. You keep eating, but you're never full.
Can I say something that might sound a little embarrassing?
No, say it.
I had this period, maybe 2 years ago, where I would post something and if it didn't do well, like if not many people saw it or reacted, I would actually feel bad about myself. Like, genuinely bad for the whole day.
Leo,
I know.
that's not embarrassing. That's real.
And the thing is, at the time, I didn't even connect it. I didn't think, oh, this posted badly, that's why I feel bad. I just felt bad, and I didn't know why.
That's the scary part, right? You don't even know why you feel that way. You just wake up and feel kind of gray.
Yeah, empty, kind of.
And you scroll to feel better.
And it doesn't work. It makes it worse.
And you scroll more. It's a loop.
It's a loop.
It's a loop. Okay, and can we talk about the comparison thing? Because I think this is the one that gets people the most.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Because social media is like everyone's highlight reel, right? Like, you're not seeing someone's Tuesday morning when they're tired and they spilled coffee on themselves.
No, you're seeing their trip to Bali.
You're seeing the perfect trip to Bali with the perfect filter and the perfect caption. And you're sitting there in your normal life going, why is my life not like that?
And it's not even real most of the time.
It's not. And we know that. We know it. But knowing it doesn't stop the feeling.
That's the thing that gets me. Like, I can tell myself this is fake, this is curated, none of this is real, and I still feel bad looking at it sometimes.
Because your brain doesn't care that you know it's fake. Your brain just sees it and goes, other people are doing better than you.
Yeah.
And over time, over months, over years of seeing that, you start to actually believe it. Like something just slowly shifts. You start feeling like you're behind, like you're not enough.
And you don't even notice it happening.
You don't notice it at all.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah,
Do you think people know they're in it? Like the trap, do people actually feel it?
honestly, I think some people do. Like deep down, they know something's off. They just don't want to face it.
Because facing it means changing something.
Right, and change is hard. And also, the app is right there. It's easier to just pick it up again.
It's always right there.
Always. Okay, you know what I think the worst part is? And this is the one nobody talks about.
What?
I think it's stealing your real life. Like, you're at dinner with your family, but you're half on your phone. You're at a concert, but you're filming it instead of watching it. You're with your friend, but you're thinking about what to post.
Yeah.
And those moments, they're gone. You can't get them back.
That one actually hurts a little.
Because it's true.
Because it's true.
Okay, so what do we actually do? Because I don't want this to just be a social media bad talk.
No, yeah, we need to talk about what actually helps.
Because I've tried stuff, and some of it works, and some of it really doesn't. Like, what didn't work?
Okay, deleting the apps. I deleted Instagram once for like 3 weeks.
And?
I just went on Instagram through my browser instead. So that didn't really work.
The brain wants what it wants.
The brain wants what it wants, exactly.
So just deleting the app, it doesn't fix the thing. It's like you have to actually deal with the thing.
What do you mean the thing?
Like, okay, why are you on it so much? What is it doing for you? Because it's doing something. Nobody scrolls for no reason.
That's actually a really good point.
Like, sometimes it's boredom, sometimes it's loneliness, sometimes you just don't want to deal with something and you pick up your phone so you don't have to.
Avoidance.
Avoidance, yeah,
I've done that. I still do that, honestly.
same. And once you actually see that you're doing it, like once you go, oh, I'm picking up my phone because I don't want to feel this, it changes something. Not immediately, but something shifts.
Something that helped me, and it sounds really small, was just noticing the moment I picked up my phone.
What do you mean?
Like, just asking myself before I started scrolling, what am I actually looking for right now? And sometimes the answer was, I don't know. And that's when I'd put it down.
Because I don't know means you're just running on autopilot.
Exactly. And autopilot is where the hours disappear.
I love that. That's really simple.
It sounds too simple.
No, the simple things are usually the ones that actually work.
Yeah, true.
Because we think we need some big system or some complicated plan. But really, it's just stop, ask, notice.
Notice.
Just notice. Something that worked for me, and I talked about this before on the show, is I stopped having my phone in my bedroom at night.
How long ago did you do that?
Like 8 months ago?
And does it actually make a difference?
It made a bigger difference than I thought it would, because that time right before you sleep, that used to be scroll time for me, just lying there in the dark, going through stuff for like an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, same.
And your brain is supposed to be winding down, but instead it's seeing something that makes you laugh, then something that makes you angry, then something that makes you feel bad about yourself.
All in like 2 minutes.
All in 2 minutes, and then you try to sleep, and your brain is just buzzing.
And you wonder why you're tired all the time.
Right, Because everything is connected, right? You sleep bad, you feel bad, so you scroll more, so you sleep bad.
Another loop.
Another loop. Okay, here's one more thing, and this one I feel like people really don't think about.
Go.
I think the people you follow, like who's actually in your feed.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Because we think about how much time we spend on social media, but we don't think about what we're actually looking at.
And some of those people are just making you feel bad every time you see them.
Every time, without fail, and you keep following them.
Because they're interesting or they have good content or something. But at what cost?
At what cost? Yeah.
I went through my following list one day, and I asked myself, does seeing this person make me feel better or worse? And for a lot of them, the answer was worse.
And you unfollowed them?
Unfollowed or muted, yeah. And my feed just changed. It felt different.
Because you're in control of what you're letting in.
Which sounds so obvious, but we forget. We forget that we actually get to choose.
We do get to choose. Can I say something that might sound a little heavy?
Yeah, go.
I think this stuff, the comparison, the loneliness, the empty feeling, I think if we don't deal with it now, it's going to get so much worse.
In what way?
Like, we're already seeing it. People don't know how to be alone with their thoughts anymore, even for 5 minutes. You sit down, and before you even feel anything, you pick up your phone.
Because the quiet feels uncomfortable.
The quiet feels really uncomfortable. And that's scary to me, because the quiet is where you figure stuff out. The quiet is where you come back to yourself.
And if you never go there,
You start to lose yourself a little, without even knowing it.
yeah. That's kind of heavy.
Sorry.
No, it needs to be said. Because I think a lot of people listening right now are feeling exactly that. This kind of low-level not okay. And they don't know where it's coming from.
And I just want them to know it's not just them. It's not because something's wrong with them. It's because this stuff was literally built to do this.
Built to make you feel like you need more. Always more.
Always more.
But you can get out of it.
You can.
It takes a little time, and it's not perfect. I still pick up my phone too much. I'm not going to sit here and pretend I've figured it all out.
Same. Honestly, same.
But it's different when you're aware of it. Like, even just being awake to it changes something.
You stop being on autopilot.
You stop being on autopilot.
Okay. I think we should start wrapping up.
Yeah.
But before we do, is there one thing, like one small thing you'd tell someone who's listening right now and thinking, okay, I feel this, what do I actually do?
I'd say just start noticing. That's it. Before anything else, just start paying attention to how you feel when you're on your phone. Not judging, not trying to fix it. Just watch yourself.
I love that.
Because once you start seeing it clearly, and I mean really seeing it, not just kind of knowing, you start making different choices on your own.
Without forcing it.
Without forcing it.
Mine would be give yourself one space in your day that's just yours. No phone, no scroll, no noise. Even if it's just 10 minutes, a walk, a cup of tea, just sitting outside.
That sounds simple.
It is simple. That's the point. You don't have to do something huge. Just take one tiny piece of your day back.
And see how that feels.
And see how that feels.
Honestly, I feel like we needed this talk too, not just the people listening.
Yeah, same. If you're listening right now, I hope something in here stayed with you. Just one small thing. You don't have to fix everything. You don't have to throw your phone in a lake.
Though that's also an option.
Also an option, no judgment. But just start somewhere, you know?
That's really all it takes.
We'll see you in the next one.
Take care of yourself.